Welcome to the Sigzen ERP tutorial on creating sales and purchase items. Let's get started. First, navigate to the item list and click on Add Item. After clicking, a quick entry form will appear. Click on Edit Full Form at the bottom. Enter the item code and name. Then, select the item group and HSN code. Choose the item type and category. For sales items, select the default unit of measurement as tonne. For purchase items, choose as per requirement. If it's a stock keeping item, select maintain stock. If it's included in manufacturing, select accordingly. Enter the item description, then click on Save. If it's a stock keeping item, proceed to the Inventory tab. Select the default material request type and valuation method, usually FIFO. Enter the weight per unit and select Weight UOM. Set the auto-reorder level for purchase items. In the Unit of Measure section, enter conversions if necessary. Check Batch No and automatically create new batch, then click Save. In the Accounting tab, assign the company and default warehouse. In the Purchase tab, select the default purchase UOM, enter conversion if different, and set the minimum order quantity and lead time. Ensure Allow Purchase is checked for purchase items. Enter supplier details. For sales items, go to the Sales tab, enter the sales UOM, and check Allow Sales. If the sales UOM is different, select and update the conversion table. In the Tax tab, select Item Tax Template and Tax Category. For quality, choose when inspection is required, before purchase for purchase items, before delivery for sales items. Select the respective templates. In the Manufacturing tab, if applicable, example, for loose cement sales items, check Auto Delivery Note. Click on Save. And that's how you create sales and purchase items in Sigzen ERP.